Today let's discuss about commission and tax. Do you know about commission and tax? When we work more, we need extra money, yes? At that time we ask for additional amount of money, that is called commission. In every job we don't get additional amount of money. Some jobs are salary based and some jobs are commission based. Like as we are teacher, we get money in monthly basis, that is salary. But when broker sells property of anyone, they will charge additional amount of money. For example, if you want to sell your house for 1 crore, they will charge 5% of 1 crore. It means 5 lakh rupees. That is their commission. Now some formulas are there to calculate commission. That means commission percent of selling price. We calculate commission on their selling price. And commission percent, to find commission percent, commission divided by selling price into 100%. An amount received by owner is selling price minus commission. Owner does not get total amount. Like if they sell at 1 crore, 5% commission is given to agent, then 5% means 5 lakh rupees should be given to agent, remaining 95 lakhs only that owner will get. So amount received by owner is SP minus commission. Now regarding tax, okay, this is commission. Now regarding tax we will do later. Now you can see exercise 2.1, page number 35, question number 2A. Now you can see the question. A man gets a commission of 8% on the sales, which amounts to 1200. Selling price is given 12,000. Here selling price is given rupees 12,000. A man gets commission 8%. Commission percent is given 8%. You have to find commission amount. To find commission amount, you can find commission percent of selling price. 8% of rupees 12,000. 8 by 100 into rupees 12,000. 0 0 cancel. 12 as a 96, so 960. Therefore, the commission amount is rupees 960. He gets rupees 960 as his comp. Question number 3 is same like 2, you can do yourself. Now see question number 4. This is also very simple. Here a man receives a monthly salary rupees 8,000. His monthly salary is 8,000 plus 5% commission on his total sales for the month. If his total sales of the month is rupees 75,000, altogether 75,000, he sells of rupees 75,000. What will be the gross amount? It means how much does he earn? 8,000 is his salary. If he does not sell any, then also he will get 8,000 rupees as his salary plus 5%. More he works, more he earns. Less he works, less he earns. That is why from here his monthly salary is rupees 8,000 and 5% commission. Commission percent is 5%. Now 75,000 is total sales of the month is 75,000. So what is his total commission? He gets 5% of rupees 75,000. He gets 5% of 75,000 because it is given 5% commission on his total sales, and total sales is given 75,000. What will be the 5% of 75,000? 0 0 cancel. 75 5s are. What will be the product of 5 and 75? 375 and this 0. It means 3,750 is his commission. Now what will be his gross amount? That means total income. If he does not sell any, then also 8,000 he gets, plus 3,750 is his commission. So if you add, you will get rupees 11,750. This is his final income of a month. This question number 5, you can do easily. A shop broker receives 7,500 as the commission on his total sales of rupees 15,000. Find his rate of commission, means commission percent you have to find. For commission percent, commission divided by total sales into 100%. So I'm not doing this question number 5. See next question number 6. A sales manager is paid rupees 4,000 per month. His monthly income is given. A sales manager is paid rupees 4,000 per month. Here, monthly salary. Monthly salary is given rupees 4,000, but you have to find annual salary. So let's find annual basic salary is rupees 4,000 into 12. 12 for the 48,000. His annual basic salary is 48,000. Now 1.1/3% of total sale is added to the salary. That means commission percent is given 1/3%. So total commission you can find total annual commission, because annual income if the sale amounts to this in a year. So annual commission is 1/3% of 60 lakh. 60 lakh, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So find this 1/3%, so 1/100 into 60 lakh. This and this can be cancelled. 1/3 divided by 100 into rupees 20,000. Now total income. Total annual income is rupees 48,000 is his basic salary, plus 20,000 he gets commission. So 68,000 is his total income of the year. Here 4,000 is monthly income, so annual is 48,000. 1/3% commission from 60 lakh, because total sales amount to rupees 60 lakh in the year. So from your 60 lakhs, 1/3% is 20,000. The sum salary plus commission. Sum of salary and commission is his total income. Next question number 7. You can see there in your screen A sales agent is paid rupees 4,000 every month. His basic salary is 4,000 and commission is 0.8% on the total sales. Now if he received 5,192 at the end of the month, find the total sales. Here basic salary is given rupees 4,000 and total income is given rupees 5,192. Total income is 5,192. So from here we can find commission amount. Commission amount is, what is the commission amount here? He gets 5,192 altogether, but his basic salary is only 4,000. Now subtract this. 5,192 minus 4,000, rupees 1,192 is commission amount. You have to find the total sales, and this is the commission amount. Let the total sales of the month be X. We don't know. And what is given? 0.8% is commission percent. So 0.8% of total sales is 1,192. 0.8% he gets as a commission from the total amount. So total amount be X and commission amount is given 1,192. From here you will get the value of X. That is the total sales of the month, because this is commission percent 0.8% and this is commission amount. So 0.8% of total is 1,192. 0.8 by 100 into X is 1,192. From here X is equals to 1,192. Now when we take this another side, this will be 100 by 0.8. 1,192 into 100 divided by 0.8. That is rupees 1,49,000. Therefore, total sales is rupees 1,49,000. Okay, next question. Question number 8A. An agent sold some carpets at the rate of 4,500. At the rate of 4,500. Rate of carpet means cost of one carpet. Cost of one carpet is rupees 4,500. He sold at 4,500 rupees each and received rupees 9,000 as commission. Commission is rupees 9,000. He gets 9,000 commission at 10%. Commission percent is 10%. Let's find the total sales now. Same like previous, let the total sales be X. Total sales is X. We don't know what is the total selling price. Let's find the total selling price now. 10% of total selling price is rupees 9,000. 10% of total selling price is 9,000. Now from here we can get the value of X. 10 by 100 into X, 9,000. This 0 and this 0 can be cancelled. So X is equals to 9,000 into 10. So 90,000. Altogether he sold of rupees 90,000. Now you have to find number of carpet. Number of carpet. How can we find? Cost of one carpet you have to find. Total cost is given and rate is given. So you can use this formula, total cost by rate. Rupees 90,000 divided by, what is the rate of one cost of one carpet? 4,500. 4,500, 0 0 cancel, 45 2s are 90, 20 carpets. Okay, thank you. This much for today. You can do other questions from this exercise. Next we will discuss about a discount, mark price, tax. Okay, thank you.